Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. If you're in the fiber optic industry, you know how crucial it is to ensure clean, reliable connections. Today, we're excited to introduce the next evolution in fiber inspection, the Wireless Fiber Inspection Microscope, the WFM-110 with APC adapters. The WFM-110 builds on the success of the WFM-100 by offering the same crystal clear 200 times magnification, 1280 by 1024 resolution, and long-range wireless connectivity up to 300 feet. What sets it apart is the inclusion of the APC adapters instead of the PC UPC adapters for technicians working with APC, SC, ST, FC, and LC fiber connectors and ports. The kit includes a USB-C cable, charger, instruction manual, and protective carrying case, making it easy to transport and store, so you're always prepared for the job ahead. Using the WFM-110 is straightforward. First, attach the appropriate adapter for the connector type you're inspecting. Second, power on the microscope. Third, connect your smart device via Wi-Fi. Fourth, launch the free companion app compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Fifth, position the nub of the fiber connector to the mark on the microscope adapter to view the fiber end face. Sixth, in the app, select the connector type you want to analyze or adjust the parameters to meet the connector specifications. Lastly, utilize the one-press auto-analyze function to automatically generate and record a pass-fail report, which is saved in the app. And that's the WFM-110 Wireless Fiber Inspection Microscope with APC adapters from Jonard Tools, expanding your inspection capabilities to meet the demand of fiber optic networks. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.